Sai Hiraram everybody. With the blessings of Sai Hiral Shah, today we are making poha, a light, fresh and comforting breakfast. This simple dish with vegetables and peanuts becomes a delicious meal in the morning. The ingredients include flattened rice or poha, diced carrot, green peas, diced beans, curry leaves, chopped potato, green chilies, turmeric, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, lemon juice, onion, roasted peanuts, fresh coriander, chaat masala, oil, and salt. First, wash the poha well in water and strain it to keep it aside. Now, heat some oil in a pan and add the peanuts. Roast them until they are nicely crisp and then remove them from the oil. In the same oil, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and curry leaves. Allow them to splutter. Now add chopped onions and cook them for a short while. Add diced carrots, beans, potatoes, and green peas. Add salt according to taste and cover the pan with a lid. Keep the flame low and check occasionally until the vegetables are cooked. Now add green chilies and turmeric and mix them well. Add the washed poha and gently mix everything together. Pour lemon juice on top and add the roasted peanuts. Mix softly so the poha remains light. Garnish the poha with fresh coriander, save, chopped onion and tomato. Sprinkle a little chaat masala and serve with lemon wedges. Your warm poha is now ready. This makes a perfect breakfast. See you in the next recipe. With the blessings of Sai Hiral Shah, this is the recipe of poha. Sai Hiraram.